Welcome to another calm conversation about building lasting wealth. Today we explore the timeless wisdom of J.L. Collins, author of The Simple Path to Wealth. His approach? Simplicity, clarity, and calm confidence. No hype, no gimmicks, just the quiet path to freedom. Let's walk through 10 key lessons. Lesson 1. The core of financial independence. J.L. Collins simplifies wealth into 3 timeless principles. Spend less than you earn. Invest the surplus in low-cost index funds. Avoid debt. He calls this the soul of simplicity. Finance doesn't need to be complex. It just needs to be consistent. Lesson 2. Why J.L. loves index funds. J.L.'s favorite investment? Broad market index funds like VTSAX. Why? They're low cost. They outperform most active managers. They are self-cleansing. Bad companies drop out. New leaders rise. You don't need to beat the market. You just need to own it. Lesson 3. Don't try to beat the market. Trying to pick winning stocks or timing the market rarely works. Even Warren Buffett suggests most people just buy an index fund. J.L. shares a powerful insight. The best performing investors, those who forgot they had investments or had passed away. Stay invested. Let time do the heavy lifting. Lesson 4. Embrace the dips. Market drops are scary, but they're normal. J.L. reminds us, volatility is part of the journey. When markets fall, don't panic, don't sell. Instead, see it as a sale. In the accumulation phase, downturns are chances to buy more. Stay calm, stay invested. Lesson 5. Few money and financial independence. There are 2 stages. Few money gives you power to walk away. FI money means you never have to work again unless you want to. To find your FI number, multiply your annual expenses by 25. Financial independence isn't about quitting, it's about choosing. Lesson 6. Your home is not an investment. He challenges a common belief. A house is not an investment. Why? Because taxes, repairs, and upkeep drain your wealth. It's a lifestyle choice, not a financial strategy. If financial independence is your goal, rent and invest instead. Lesson 7. Kill debt first. Debt, J.L. says, is a financial leech. It drains your options and slows your progress. His advice: cut spending, eliminate debt, then start investing. Freedom and debt don't go together. Lesson 8. This path is for everyone. This simple path isn't just for tech workers or high earners. J.L.'s book Pathfinders shares stories of ordinary people from janitors to fruit pickers who reached financial independence. The math works if you live below your means. It's simple, not easy, but it's possible. Lesson 9. Keep it simple. Beware of grifters. Wall Street thrives on complexity. J.L. reminds us, complexity serves the seller, not the investor. Watch for hype. Avoid speculation. Stick to what works. Broad-based index funds and long-term discipline. Lesson 10. Buy freedom, not stuff. The goal isn't more stuff, it's more freedom. J.L. says, there's nothing more valuable than the ability to choose how you spend your time. He shares this parable. If you can learn to live on rice and beans, you won't need to cater to the king. That's financial freedom. Recap. 10. Calm lessons from J.L. Collins. 1. Spend less. Invest the rest. Avoid debt. Own the market with index funds. Don't time the market. Stay invested. 4. Volatility is normal. Don't fear it. 5. FU money gives options. FI money gives freedom. 6. A house is a lifestyle, not an investment. L. Clear debt before building wealth. 8. This path is for everyone. Keep it simple. Avoid hype. 10. Buy freedom, not things. If this brought you clarity, subscribe and stay with us. We believe wealth isn't about excitement, it's about calm. J.L. Collins teaches us, money is a tool for freedom, and freedom is the goal. Stay simple, stay invested, and keep building your freedom.